This section will cover adding and setting up subsheets. We will create them from the previous section. Let's add a sheet. From here on, it's a solo part, so we'll design with the intention of highlighting the solo player. I've arranged it like this. If you look closely, I mistakenly changed sheet number 7 when I should have changed sheet number 8. These types of mistakes often occur as you get used to the work. Starting over from the beginning is difficult, so I'd like to fix it from this state. It's not possible to swap sheets number 7 and number 8. In such a case, add a new sheet and select sheet number 7. Select all the performers, copy them, and paste them into sheet number 8. Copy sheet number 9. Move to sheet number 7 and paste it. Delete sheet number 9. Now it's in the correct order. Understanding the features in this way, depending on your ingenuity, you can prevent your work from being wasted. Let's play it back. The color guard was moved behind the prop, but it bumps into the plot because it goes in a straight line. So we insert a subsheet. Let's add a sheet here. Direct the midway position. Make this sheet a subsheet. Then you can make a movement that avoids the prop like this. In reality, it's not necessary to specify so finely because it's printed out and distributed. But by setting it this way, it becomes clear which side of the prop to pass, and you can prevent collisions between performers. Now, let's explain a little more about inserting sheets and subsheets. Sheets are inserted where there is a timeline. To make the inserted sheet a subsheet, select the sheet and click this button. The inserted sheet records the formation at that time as it is. So if you move after inserting it, the movement to the next sheet will be disrupted. For such times, there is a function called subsheet interpolation. Select the later sheet and the performer you want to interpolate. Click this button. Then, like this, it moves in a straight line between the main sheets, and the midway position is recorded on the subsheet. This function is also useful when you change the position of the performer after creating a subsheet. Subsheets are used quite a bit in complex drill design. So there is a function to create subsheets all at once. First, create a main sheet behind. In the state where the later sheet is selected, or this button is clicked in the state between the sheets on the timeline. The subsheet pitch is the count on the subsheet. Let's try creating it at 2. Then, like this, a subsheet was created every 2 beats. In this way, the movement that was already created is divided and the midway progress is recorded. When redesigning, use reset to the position of the previous sheet. But when there are many subsheets, it becomes the position of the previous subsheet like this. It's hard to go back one by one, so if you select the sheets you want to reset and reset them together, you can quickly return to the position of the previous main sheet. If you select multiple sheets like this, you can reflect the movement of the performers in all the selected sheets. It's a convenient feature, but if multiple sheets are selected unintentionally, all of them will be changed, so be careful. By mastering the use of subsheets, you can create more complex and effective drill designs. Please take a look at a part of the drill design that uses subsheets effectively as a reference. There are also handy tools for setting up multiple subsheets at once. I would like to explain how to use it in more detail in future lessons. That's all for this lesson. Thank you for watching.